Hello everyone, welcome. My name is Himadri and I am a content creator on YouTube and Instagram. In today's video, I will be teaching you all how to get this beautiful Deepika Padukone inspired makeup look. I have attached a reference image on the screen so you guys know what this video is all about. So if you guys are interested, then you should definitely keep on watching. So I'm going to start off by prepping my face, and to get that beautiful dewy look like Deepika Padukone, I'm going to apply a facial oil first and massage it really well on my face and neck as well. After that is done, I'm going to use a pore filling primer from Sugar Cosmetics and apply it only on the areas where I have pores, that is around my nose, a little bit on my chin and also on my forehead. To achieve that dewy look, I'm going to use an illuminator and apply it on the highest points of my face. That would be on my cheekbone, on the bridge of my nose and a little bit on my cupid's bow as well. For my foundation today, I wanted to use a very lightweight foundation just to even out my complexion. So I'm going to use a very little amount of product and blend it out using a damp beauty sponge. Next, for the concealer, I will be using my favorite LA Girl concealer in the shade Warm Honey, and I will be applying this under my eyes and also wherever I have blemishes, and blend it out using the same damp beauty sponge. To set the concealed areas in place, I will be using the Maybelline Fit Me Loose powder. Taking the leftover product on the brush, I will apply it on my forehead as well so that it does not look shiny. Next, for my brows, I'm going to go a little heavy-handed because as you can see in the picture itself, Deepika Padukone brows look very dark and prominent, so I will go a little heavy-handed and fill in my brows really dark. And I also used a brow gel to set my brows in place. Next, for the blush, I'm going to use this very pretty muted pink color on the apples of my cheeks. This blush has a little bit of shimmer in it, so it's going to emphasize that dewy looking skin. After that is done, I'm going to take this champagne highlighter. This is a gorgeous shade, you all, and I'm going to use this as my eyeshadow today. And I will apply this all over my eyelids using a flat shader brush, and make sure that the color is well blended and there are no harsh lines. Next, to define my eyes a little more, I will use a dark brown eyeshadow and apply it very close to my upper lash line, and I also created a very tiny wing. I believe this is Deepika Padukone's signature eye makeup because I have seen her doing this particular eye look in so many events, and this is such a classic eye look that it will go with every outfit. I went ahead and applied a little bit of kajal on my upper waterline. I curled my lashes and applied my favorite Maybelline Total Temptation mascara on my upper and lower lashes. Using the same dark brown eyeshadow that I used to create my wing, I used it to smoke out my lower lash line. And taking the same champagne highlighter, I'm going to apply it on the highest points of my face. That would be on my cheekbone, a little bit on my forehead, on the bridge of my nose, on my chin and also on my cupid's bow. Also, don't forget to apply your highlighter on your brow bone and also on the inner corners of your eye. Next, I will contour my face a little, and that would be under my cheekbone and also on my jawline. I went off camera and applied these Kingdom of Lashes falsies in the style Natural. And for my lips today, I went for a very natural nude lip. And lastly, make sure to set your face. And that's the finished look, you guys. I love this look. It is very simple, very subtle, yet it will go with so many different outfits. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit that like button, and also don't forget to check out Limeroad for some amazing offers. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Mwah.